Welcome to the channel. If you're ready to take additive manufacturing to the next level, metal 3D printers are where precision meets power. In today's video, we're diving into the best metal 3D printers, carefully selected based on build quality, material compatibility, print resolution, and overall value for professionals and serious hobbyists. Whether you're prototyping for aerospace, crafting custom tools, or exploring industrial-grade fabrication, there's a powerful option waiting for you. Don't forget to check the description for the latest specs, pricing, and detailed product info. And if you enjoy cutting-edge tech like this, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. Let's get printing, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. IdeaFormer-3D Belt 3D Printer. The IdeaFormer-3D IR3V2 is a cutting-edge belt 3D printer engineered for limitless creativity and scalable production. Featuring a 250x250x infinity build volume, its rolling metal conveyor belt with PEI coating enables continuous Z-axis printing, perfect for long objects or batch jobs. This durable surface offers excellent layer adhesion and supports a wide variety of filaments, including PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, ASA, and pages. The IR3V2 simplifies setup with one-click auto-calibration using a Y-offset strain sensor to eliminate manual adjustments. Powered by Clipper firmware, the printer achieves up to 400 mm per second printing speeds while maintaining high accuracy and smooth motion, thanks to an integrated roller gearbox. Ideal for both innovators and small-scale manufacturers, it excels in support-free overhang printing, seamless part serialization, and hands-off operation. Whether you're tackling long prototypes or high-volume parts, the IR3V2 redefines what's possible in desktop 3D printing. Number 4. FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D Printer. Let's talk about the FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D Printer, a fantastic machine for both beginners and seasoned pros. This printer truly lets you unleash creativity, blending new tech with superior craftsmanship. One of its standout features is the fully automatic one-click leveling system. Say goodbye to manual calibration, ensuring a flawless first layer every single time. Inside, the Core XY all-metal motion structure delivers high-speed printing without sacrificing quality, remaining stable and quiet. Maintenance is a breeze with the patent quick-release nozzle, letting you swap nozzles in just 3 seconds, and multiple diameters cater to different print needs. Control is enhanced through the Orca FlashForge slicer for batch printing and network monitoring, plus the FlashMaker app for remote management. If power goes out, it'll resume prints after outages. The flexible double-sided PEI plate makes print removal easy, too. This AD5M is a game-changer. Number 3. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The clog-free direct extruder is a standout, boasting a bolstered spring and ball plunger for reliable filament grip. Paired with the tri-metal, unicorn, nozzle, steel-tipped copper with a titanium alloy heat break, clogs are practically a thing of the past, and nozzle swaps are quick. This K1C is built to support carbon fiber filaments, making it incredibly versatile for high-temp and wear-resistant materials like PLACF and ASA. You'll love the hands-free auto-calibration leveling, making setup a breeze. And with dynamic balancing for reduced vibration, your prints will be smoother with less ringing. A standard AI camera monitors for errors and offers time-lapse, while the air purification system with activated carbon keeps your workspace fresh. Running on Creality OS, Clipper-based, it offers powerful, open-source control and superb software integration. Plus, Creality offers 12-month official support. This is a truly advanced and user-friendly 3D printer. Number 2. Dremel DigiLab 3D Printer. Let's start the Dremel 3D45 3D Printer Kit, an award-winning machine that aims for ease of use. It comes with a removable glass build plate heated up to 100 degrees Celsius and an all-metal 0.4 mm nozzle that reaches 280 degrees Celsius, giving you versatility with various filaments like PLA, PETG, Eco-ABS, and nylon. Setting up is quick. You can go from unboxing to your first print in under 15 minutes, guided by the 5-inch full-color touchscreen with intuitive icons. The fully enclosed, sturdy plastic design, with a 6.7 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches build volume, isn't just for better print quality and less warping, it also enhances safety. Plus, it has built-in carbon and particulate filters for a cleaner printing environment. The Dremel 3D45 is also recognized as a Google for Education partner, highlighting its reliability and user-friendly nature, making it a great choice for various users, from hobbyists to educational settings. Number 1. Elega Neptune 3 Pro 3D Printer. The Elega Neptune 3 Pro 3D printer offers a generous 225 by 225 by 280 mm build volume. Thanks to its STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors, it runs at a remarkably quiet 47 to 48 dB, ensuring a peaceful printing environment. Setting it up is a breeze, with most main components pre-assembled for quick installation. A standout feature is the dual-gear direct extruder, crafted from high-quality SUS 303 stainless steel. With a 3:1 reduction ratio, it provides powerful, consistent filament feeding, significantly reducing nozzle clogging and underextrusion for smoother, more accurate prints. The optimized nozzle kit, featuring a titanium alloy throat pipe and efficient cooling fan, further enhances heat dissipation to prevent clogs. Experience a smarter printing process with 36-point auto bed leveling, which automatically compensates for any irregularities. It also includes auto pause for filament runout or breakage, and resume printing after a power outage. For enhanced stability, the printer utilizes dual synchronized Z-axis LED screws and dual motor drives, ensuring higher printing accuracy and steady print head movement. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.